If you're thinking about getting yourself the new Osmo Pocket 3, you definitely need to watch this video before doing so, because this right here might be a way better alternative that maybe you didn't even know about. I got the brand new Osmo Pocket 3 right here, and on the other hand the Insta360 X3. Now that's going to be an interesting battle, and by the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you, and now let's get right to it. To this day I get comments like, who is filming you? How is this possible? Is this drone footage? There are still people out there that do not know about the magic of 360 cameras, of 360 videos. So in fact, I am filming myself. I'm holding the camera. Well, I'm holding the stick. But thanks to the overlapping video and through Insta360's stitching magic, the selfie stick is completely invisible. And that is hands down one of the best perks of 360 cams like the X3. Obviously, the Osmo Pocket 3 can't do that. So if you go for handheld or selfie stick filming, your hand or the stick or both will be visible. It will obstruct the image and it's just not looking good compared to the X3 footage. So with the X3 you do not need to worry about where the stick is, if it is ruining your shot or not, like with the Osmo Pocket 3. And you also get immaculate third-person footage of yourself at all times. As I said, it is like magic. And best of all, when it gets to 360 cams, the length of the selfie stick doesn't even matter. So you can also opt for a drone-like video effect. And for that, all you need is just a super long selfie stick, like Insta360's 3-meter long selfie stick. And just like that, you can make the footage look like it has been shot by a drone. This feature is unique to the X3 as well. And compared to actually flying a drone, which is illegal in many places, especially if it's over a crowd of people, just swinging a super long selfie stick is not a problem, and it will yield basically the same results. Just awesome. Another amazing feature that 360 cams like the X3 offer is the fact that you will never miss the action. You can shoot first and point later. So imagine you're just walking with a friend, you're focused on yourself, having a dialogue with the audience, speaking to the camera, and now your friend in front of you trips in the most hilarious way ever. With the Pocket 3, well, bad luck, you just missed the shot. But with the X3, this has been captured. And the way to handle this in post-production is, well, you can first of all extract your video, your reaction to it. You can then point it to your friend and export the video of your friend actually falling, and you can show these videos consecutively, or you can also go for a pan transition, of course. That is just one powerful example, and moreover with 360 cams, you just never need to worry, you will always get the shot. So you can fully enjoy the moment. There is absolutely no need to worry about framing the video perfectly, because you can do it in post anyways. So enjoy the moment, live it up, just hold the camera wherever, shoot first, point later, and you can either do this in the mobile app or on the more elaborate desktop app. Both cameras offer a substantial field of view. The Osmo Pocket 3 can produce a 109 degrees wide-angle view, while the X3 offers even more, to be specific, a 170 degree wide-angle view called Max View in the 4K single lens mode. Yeah, and moreover, the X3 in the 360 mode will just completely smash it out of the park, because with viewing modes like the Tiny Planet, for example, you can zoom out all the way to a full 360 degrees wide-angle view. Both cameras are able to lock the horizon perfectly fine. The Osmo Pocket 3 does it on a physical level with the gimbal right here, while the X3 does it digitally. Seeing this the first time is pretty wild, and as you can see, you can basically turn the cameras pretty much any way you want, but the horizon line will stay leveled at all times. But due to the physical restrictions of the gimbal, the Osmo Pocket 3 only offers a fairly limited horizon lock for both the X and Y axis. If you want a truly unlimited, always on, so to say, horizon lock, only the X3 can do it. Now, when we introduce a rotation around the X or Y-axis that surpasses the limits of the gimbal, the horizon leveling capabilities will break down completely, while the X3 will stay locked on at all times without any issues. You can rotate the X3 in any direction. No matter what you do, the horizon will be kept fully leveled all the time. And that's thanks, of course, to the built-in gyro sensors. So the X3 will give you full creative and mounting freedom. You can literally put it everywhere. The only thing that does limit the X3 is your imagination. And aside from that, a gimbal system is also prone to breaking since it has many delicate moving parts, and that is not the case at all with the Insta360 X3. Another aspect where the Osmo Pocket 3 gets outplayed is the time-lapse mode. Don't get me wrong, a gimbal system like this can create great looking time lapses with a pre-programmed moving pattern. But again, you're limited to just that, a pre-programmed movement and one final video. You cannot change it a whole lot afterwards. The X3, on the other hand, takes an all-around 360 degrees time-lapse in 8K with all the reframing possibilities in post, like 360 videos. So you can also make it look like a gimbal system as well, or you can make it look like a camera slider or anything else for that matter. And this way you can take a boring looking static time-lapse to a whole other level and bring some unique movements into it. Tons of possibilities. A 360 time-lapse is just on a much different level since you can try just so many things. And best of all, you can do it as many times as you want. You can do it until it's perfect. And the exact same applies to pictures, to photos that you can take with these devices. With the Osmo Pocket 3, your frame is locked, while on the X3, you can change it up to your liking in post and do all sorts of things. And aside from the massive creative freedom that the X3 will give you when it gets to taking pictures or videos for that matter, the X3 is also great for creating a virtual tour of a house or a flat or any other place. Another benefit of the X3 is that it has no moving parts. It is a solid camera, a solid block basically. And that is of course rather easy to make it waterproof. So the X3 without any accessories at all is waterproof to a depth of up to 10 meters. Goes without saying that a gimbal system like the Osmo 3 is not waterproof at all and will likely die instantly when you drop it in a body of water. No underwater footage for the Osmo Pocket 3. And lastly, one of the best things about Insta360 is the fact that they offer completely free apps to edit and export your footage. There is no subscription fee whatsoever. It is 100% free, even though they are fully fledged, top-notch programs. So first of all, there is the more elaborate Pro desktop app for the highest res exports, and then for social media and such, you know, Instagram Reels, TikToks, you name it, they also offer a separate mobile app that you can also use for updating the firmware, for example. And this app, oh my goodness, it has so many features, effects, tutorials, and there is also a huge community and you can watch countless videos of others, what's possible, what you can do, get inspired. It is amazing. And thanks to the advanced AI algorithms, it is just so easy to implement all these effects. It just takes a few minutes at most. This is all automatically done in the app and the results, as you can see, are really cool. On the software side of things, Insta360 is the definitive market leader with the best editing tools and AI features available that make editing your videos a breeze and adding cool effects effortlessly on top as well. So in the end, it is quite clear that all the benefits of the Insta360 X3 far outweigh the capabilities of the Osmo Pocket 3. It is cheaper as well, and the creative freedom you can achieve with it just cannot be matched by a gimbal system. So in my eyes, the X3 takes the cake because it is just offering so much more than the Pocket 3, like 360 video capture for allowing shoot first and point later. The invisible selfie stick effect, thus giving you the best third-person view on the market right now. 8K 360 time lapses and photos. The massive wide-angle capabilities in the 4K single lens mode. A truly unlimited horizon leveling. And lastly, the best AI-powered editing suite that is currently available. If you're interested in the X3, we have an exclusive special sale link for you, saving you $50 in total. Check it out, first link in the description or in the pinned comment. Through our link you can get the X3 and a free invisible selfie stick for just $399. But since both cameras are quite different in the end, both of them are of course definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.